What's happening, guys? In today's video, we were doing an FPV challenge with my friend Parker and my friend Colin. And we are basically gonna be flying the exact same feature. We are each picking whatever drone we want, and we're gonna let you decide who has the best line. We are in the West Fjords of Iceland, and there's a super dope mountain over there.
We're gonna dive bomb this thing.
I'm ready to rip.
Pick a number between 1 and 30. Don't tell us. Who's ever closest goes last. Because last is way better. All right, everyone, this is Dobby.
I am Dobby. Sometimes.
Do you have your number?
I do.
I'm gonna go with 9.
21.
2.
Danny's the closest. It was 1.
Parker's going first.
So I'm last, Parker's first.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, I lost, so I'm flying first. I'm flying a 5-inch custom build. This is a Camera Butter Cinema 1 frame. We were doing a 1550 battery, Cooper here 12 in 5K30 with an ND8 on. And yeah, let's get after it.
Yeehaw.
Slay! Go fly.
Let's go.
All right.
Damn, dude.
We're recording on the GoPro.
There she goes.
And he's up.
All right.
There she goes.
Let's go towards the mountain.
I hate when you do that. It sketches me out.
He's like, look, Mom, no hands.
Let's drift into the right a little bit. Why he do that?
A little bit of a side breeze.
Gotta calibrate your sticks a little bit.
Dude, look at that. Drifting.
Look at all that lava, bubbly shit.
Oh, that's a haul. Crap.
It's pretty far.
Dude, and my OSD isn't set up.
Colin's in trouble.
I mean, I'm still at 393 on my voltage, so
Thanks.
you should be fine.
First flight with this quad, I'm just gonna ground it.
How many meters are you at now?
I don't have my meters on.
How many feet?
I don't have anything on. I literally only have my single cell voltage in my goggles. If you look at my goggles, there's one thing my OSD is, my single cell voltage.
You have a GPS unit, you don't even have that?
It's not working. I melted it in the volcano and I haven't replaced it. I wonder if I can dive this canyon and still keep connection.
Yeah, I was gonna ask what your game plan is.
I really want to dive deep in that canyon, but I feel like I'm gonna lose connection.
Yeah, probably.
I think that's the good part about not going first, is we can see.
Well, we're just gonna go for it. So I want to start out here. All right, I'm gonna come to it like this, I think.
Oh shit! Nice, dude. You didn't lose any connection, huh?
I lost a little bit, that's why I didn't go as deep into it, because I could see where we were in the corner.
Sick.
I've got more for another dive. Should I do another dive?
If you've got it.
My heart is racing. I got really close on that one.
Yeah.
What's your voltage at?
375.
Oh.
Dude.
Stop.
Look, Mom, no.
No hands. Look how well
You
my
gotta-
quad is tuned.
Ooh, my quad is doing well. Ooh.
Parker, are you going to approach this one differently or the same?
I think I want to try something different, but I haven't decided what yet. I can't go as deep into that as I was hoping, so I might kind of... Oh, my voltage is getting low. We'll be all right.
Don't forget to absolutely murk a bird. Ooh, there's like a nice red ring in that thing. That's cool. You almost just dive bombed that bird.
All right, that's my flight.
Nice.
Good stuff.
Hell yeah, good
That's my
shot.
flight. All right.
Next up,
Good work, team.
Colin?
Next up is me.
Good work, team.
Nice work.
Good work.
You're still flying.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Can you see? Because we can't.
As long as you can see.
I can see.
Nice, brother.
That's my flight. Who's up next? Is it Colin? Colin was second.
Colin.
We've got a brand new quad that I built last night at 4 a.m. This will be the first flight. Nothing in my OSD. Couldn't get it to work. I don't know what's going on with that. GoPro Hero 12, camera butter frame. Got, yeah, some new motors, 1550 battery.
Oh my God,
Holy shit.
Yeah, and now you have no
voltage is gone.
Yeah. You're going to the wrong mountain.
Oh, fuck, I am. You're right.
I mean, you can go that one if you want. There's no rules.
So I was gonna pull a quickie on him and go to a different mountain, but I gotta show Parker real quick just how well I tuned this quad last night, 4 in the morning. You know?
Wow.
We're going.
Oh, dude, this
Yeah,
dude's
there's
You guys are ridiculous. All right.
No battery is kind of insane.
Yeah.
Oh,
You got the voltage down here at the bottom.
Just whenever it hits like 21.9, you can start it back.
Just cruise on back.
What's your game plan?
Oh, my game plan is, I think, to go a little bit higher than Parker did.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a thumber. I'm not a pincher.
Same.
Just freaking
2v2 then.
stick that big thumb in there. So we're
Cliffs behind us.
going up,
Damn, that ridgeline is so
Yep.
sick. Bro.
and then
Brethren.
Send her to space.
we're gonna fucking send her. Here we go.
It's falling.
We're at 0 throttle at the moment. It's gonna come down.
Oh. Dude, oh! Ooh, brother.
Oh, brother, you making me nervous.
Damn, son.
And then a quick little reveal, and then we're gonna double dip, and we're gonna go back again. 22.1 volts, 22 volts, 1.9, 21.9.
Damn.
You think I should be sending it back?
You should be thinking about it at least.
Yeah, you should have it at the back of your mind. Should be somewhere in there.
All right. We're gonna go up
Colin, there's a
this.
cliff there.
Dude, there's a cliff.
And,
Watch out.
all right, second shot is gonna start here. Gonna go up. Gonna cruise. Gonna go around the thumb. Whoa, it's a little floaty up here.
It's a little windy.
Yeah. And then,
Little McTwist at the top.
yeah.
Sheesh. Damn. Oh.
Cruise down this.
Ooh, nice.
Oh,
I
fuck.
like the other angle.
Get down, get down. Pull out. Pull out.
Jesus, Colin.
Oh my God, dude.
Damn.
Holy shit.
With the brand new
With
quad.
the 4 a.m. build.
And then we're just gonna look at the enemy in their eyes.
Anyone got like a passport? Just take the thing down.
Yeah, we've got
Oh,
no
man.
chance.
That was fun.
Damn. Alright. On that note, we'll see you when he lands.
Gotta pull out the big cards.
You're flying the Helion, right?
Yeah, but it almost seems like too much.
So take it to the
I
next
don't know.
I've been told that before.
Dude, I could have gone for a third.
By your parents?
22.
Dude, that's just weird.
All right, you guys want to unplug?
What's happening, guys? Before we get into the third and final flight of that video, I have a very important question to ask you. And that is, if you had $100,000, what would you create? I know exactly what I would do. Okay, I think I probably wouldn't win if I went with that concept. But on the real, what I would do is create more episodes of my passion project called Southbound, which is basically just a long-form travel series that I'm making with my friend Jonah, where we ride off-road motorcycles from LA to the southern tip of South America. If you've already watched the first one, we are gonna make more episodes in the future, money or not, but that would go a long way to making episodes faster. But whether you're a cinematographer, social media creator, YouTuber, or a combination of all three, my friends over at Artlist want to help bring your vision to life. This month they're bringing back their 100K fund, which is a grant that will help one of you bring your biggest idea to life. So how do you enter? Obviously, you've got to pitch them your idea. So all you have to do is post a video to your socials showcasing your $100,000 idea. Then just tag Artlist and use hashtag Artlist100KFund. This can be a documentary, a creative short film. You could pitch them that you're gonna light $100,000 of cash on fire, although I'm not sure if you'd win with that idea, but just any idea that you've always been dreaming of. Submissions close on October 24th, so take some time, think about your idea, create your pitch, and then post. It's $100,000. If you want more info, just visit Artlist.io, or I'll leave a link down in the description as well. Good luck, that would be amazing if it was one of you guys who ended up winning. And now, let's get back to the video.
Fly back. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
There it is, brand new build. Let's go.
All right, so I'm flying the Helion 10-inch today, although obviously it's not all about size, yeah. But I'm flying a GoPro Hero 12, Tango 2, DJI goggles 2, and some big freaking antennas. Yeah, watch your head.
Launching the lawnmower right in our face.
Are you guys good over there?
Yeah, you stream it, buddy?
Nope.
He's up.
Let's go.
Lawn mowing.
Who's got a lawn they want? Chop the fuck up.
After this flight, we'll have a fresh putting green.
All right, so.
Dude, that's sick.
For my flight, I am gonna stay low going up there.
Everyone has like a 2-minute cut from their flight, and Danny's is a 15-minute segment. Like BRB guys.
That's a feature-length film.
Mine's like a 15-second drop, and then yours is 15 minutes.
No, I'll keep all of it in. And honestly, on this flight, I flew a LiPo battery instead of a lithium ion, so I don't have that long. So, the game plan here is, because you guys both did really good fucking dives with that mountain, I am gonna go over here.
I'm gonna pick a completely different mountain.
So there's nothing to compare it to. I am the only competition.
The game's a game.
At the start of the video, when he said, "This is the feature, we'll all be flying," he really meant two of us.
It's in the start.
These bugs just flying around Danny.
Fuck, I haven't showered in weeks. That's probably why. All right, so one thing I'm a little worried about is losing line of sight.
Oh, you've got
Look
great
where that little nub is.
Yeah, you're great.
Little nubbin.
You
So
can
as long
even
as I
hit the
don't get
one on the
behind that,
backside and still be good.
just keep going.
Yeah, literally.
So what's behind that mountain?
All right, so I'm gonna look a little bit where I want to dive. Probably just hit the ridgeline. All right, so I'm gonna go as far this way as I can and then loop back around.
You see the snow on the kind of right side?
Right there. Up there?
Yeah, you'll still have line of sight if you keep going. No, not all the way up there. It's like
Are you trying to
Not
sabotage
all the way up
me?
there, not all the way up there.
not all the way. But yeah,
I think I'm just
You're
gonna
almost
flip
out.
around right
Yeah,
here.
You're almost out, so.
yeah,
All right. Hit this cliff side,
casual.
2.4 kilometers, not bad. Hopefully take out a couple birds along the way.
Need some dinner.
Yeah, we've been eating PB&Js for the last week.
Instant ramen. Oh, the orange.
Oh, look at that. Oh!
On the freaking
That's actually
10 inch.
sick.
Dude, that line is pretty sweet. Just to keep things fair, I think I'll also fly this feature.
Because we just got
Just
destroyed.
so I'm not the only one. I really wish we could get line of sight that back ridge line. I don't know. Even with these antennas are more like long range. I don't know how good they are like going through mountains.
Yeah, cutting through mountains. Mass amounts of rock.
Yeah.
No, this
Oh, I think the backside.
No.
I was like, what are you talking about? Oh.
And then I'm just going to send her to the moon. Oh. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I'm getting kind of low voltage. Send this little valley. Damn, I definitely did not get as close as Colin or Parker, but.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you're also on a 10 inch.
Yeah.
All right, that'll do her.
Go up and check that right
I guess
side.
I could go one
Double
more.
dips.
Go up and check the right
Triple
side.
dip.
I'm curious. Like if you scoop around from the right a little bit.
Just signal completely gone.
I don't know. I mean, my GPS is set up, but still.
You can also glance.
End up doing a 4-hour hike.
Once you get clear, you could pull your goggles up real quick and just glance.
Yeah.
You've got a good bit on the right side. See that
On
hump?
there?
Yeah. That hump on the back right, you're good with.
Yeah, just go all the way around to the mountain ridge.
Where's the hump? That one?
Straight ahead. Yeah, right in the center.
I guess if I go high, I can always just look back at where we are.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Actually, that's totally fine.
Right. I was trying.
I thought you were being sarcastic the whole time.
No, Parker's making it out to sound like I'm being sarcastic.
All right, let's.
Yeah, starting from there, like you have line of sight that whole way.
Yeah. It's nice there's buildings next to us. So we can kind of get reference. Dude, I bet you can fly.
Oof.
Oh. Oh.
Tricky move there.
Add a little spice.
A little spice.
Put a little salt and pepper on it.
All right, now straight into the rock for some real spice.
That'd be a good thumbnail.
For my final trick.
I crashed my $1,500 Helion. Come back to me.
Yikes.
Woo! Nice. Everybody, thank you for being part of the video. Woo! That was really freaking fun. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let us know, because we definitely can. But vote in the comments for who you thought won. Do you guys have any?
She said.
Do you guys,
And telemetry lost.
do you guys have anything to add?
Get out there and fly. It's a blast.
Definitely check out Parker, Colin, and Dobby's Instagram accounts. They're fucking awesome.
Until next time.
And on that note.